This is Lusaka, Zambia. As you can see what's happening, the floods have taken over the township of Lusaka. So apparently this is what is happening. People have no choice but to walk in the floods. Yeah, this is what is happening. Oh my goodness. Just look at guys, look at, there's just floods everywhere, and this is the capital city of Zambia. Yeah, it's the Lusaka, Zambia, and these communities, as you can see, people are busy moving around in the floods, and there's nowhere like they can pass. Like, the water is all over in the shops, there's water in the houses. Like, oh my goodness, this isn't good. There can be an outbreak of anything like cholera or what. Guys, there are no drainages in Lusaka, Zambia. Look at what's really happening right now. Look at what's really happening. This is not happening. Like, it's been raining like for over a week. Yeah, like over a week. Yeah, and this is what is really going on. This is so sad. Like, there are no drainages, like where the water run to. Just floods. This house. This is a house in Lusaka, which is a mansion. And there's just
manje uyu
flood.
bikeman afuna ofika je pa nyumba onani manje agwa na fudu yanga yagwa so apa nguchita bwanja vafunika nibwezere ndrama oro vakudya vamene viniji era chinamvera njala.
I don't want to remain behind. It's snowing. I don't want to remain behind.
You know I've been thinking about you lately, but starting from a pandu. You know I've been trying to get you, but need that fun. They could not about you. Now they show paper, shivere, pasta paper, shivere. Isa fue bachenchevere tu kupange, suminanka kupapke no mpambe. Kakupera como sea ya mchikayo, kamo fenka kupereke kurimai.
Hey, Jesus! Mama. Ange mwa mawindo ya jakapasi ya zapanyika ni mwai. Aya kapena manje vanga bwere. Mami. Mama tinha ngona za bwere. Meruti na lavu za mukoko. Vai kwa lavu. Tone, ntosereko chiketa. Lekoso. Mweresa. Mvula yalekako manje manzi. Iyo dramu yaenda, dramu yaenda iyo. Ye. Kaya chidramu cha manzi icho chaenda. I don't want to remain behind. It's snowing.